Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video I got my 4-cycle Ryobi weed eater. I've been having this thing for a while. Still works. I like it. Sometimes there's a starting issue with these things. They don't want to actually start up, but there's a little trick that I could show you to start it up faster. Now this has been sitting for about half a year in basically my garage. And now it's that time again to pull it out and start actually using a weed eater. So without no further ado, let's go ahead and put some fuel in it. When you're actually storing this, make sure you have a fuel stabilizer mixed in, or just you know, use up all the fuel, which I do, and just basically you know, don't store it with fuel at all, because when you store it with fuel it clogs the carburetor and stuff like this, and then you have to clean it out, which it's pretty easy to do, but you know, if you're not do-it-yourselfer, then maybe it's a little bit difficult. So okay, well, that filled up quite quickly. Yeah, it's a lot nicer to just have like one of those just little gallons. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on here. As you can see, it was last in run position, and I just kind of left it like that because there was no reason to really change it. So we're gonna need to put it full choke, and we're gonna need to prime it. We got a priming pump right here. So first we prime it until you could see fuel start circulating. Press a few more, should be good. You want to put it to the on position, because this is off position. That's how you turn it off. You got to put it to on. You also got to make sure when you're trying to start it, hold this trigger down. You know, this is going to be kind of like the trick to start it. If you don't, it's just not going to start. Look at that, it started right up. That is always a good sign. So we're going to put it to half choke. I let it warm up about a minute and a half. I usually try to do something else and then try to use it. So let's let it warm up. We'll come back.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.